Let's have some fun.
Okay, Mata, let's do it.
Girls, what I gotta say, cause you know they ain't going away. Love is the message, eh? Y'all ready? Let's go. प्यार से करेंगे सबका स्वागत प्यार से करेंगे सबका स्वागत
दीदार उनका होता है कैसे कहूँ मैं ओ यारा ये प्यार कैसे होता है आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद दीदार उनका होता है आंखें खुली हो या हो बंद दीदार उनका होता है कैसे
We, the employees of Cochin Shipyard Limited, are not professional dancers but dedicated public servants for the esteemed government enterprise. Despite our demanding work schedule, we have come together with enthusiasm and commitment to prepare this humble performance. Our purpose is to raise public awareness about the grave issues of corruption and to emphasize the importance of vigilance among citizens. This year's theme, Vigilance, our shared responsibility, perfectly echoes the message we aim to convey today. That maintaining integrity and transparency in our society is not the duty of a few but shared obligation of every citizen. We are honored to have administered the respected Sub-Inspector Sri Ranjit Singh Sir, SI of Aberdeen Police Station, and our beloved DGM of CANSU, CSL and Ship Repair Unit, a unit of Cochin Shipyard in Andaman, here with us. To begin the official proceedings, now I invite Sub-Inspector Sri Ranjit Singh Sir of Aberdeen Police Station to deliver his valuable insight on the team.
थैंक यू सो मच। कोचिन शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड ने जो ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, ये केवल इसके लिए है कि आप सभी को सतर्कता जागरूकता सप्ताह के बारे में और ज़्यादा जागरूक किया जा सके। ये दिन हम मनाते हैं सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी के जन्मदिन के शुभ अवसर पर, ताकि उन्होंने जो सपना एक आज़ाद भारत, उसमें जो उन्होंने अपनी स्वतंत्रता सेनानी होने के नाते आज़ाद भारत के बाद जो एक खुशहाल और विकसित भारत के लिए जो सपना देखा था, उस पे हम सब मिलकर एक भारतवासी मिलकर एक समग्र रूप से जो भी करप्शन के खिलाफ और सतर्क होने के नाते जो हम अपना हमारे जो कर्तव्य है उनका निर्वहन करें, और जागरूकता ये हम सबके बीच में आनी चाहिए कि हम हमारे क्या कर्तव्य हैं और सरकार के क्या कर्तव्य हैं, इन सब को समग्र रूप से हम चला सके। धन्यवाद।
Now I request our beloved DGM Sir, Srikanth Sir, to share his insight.
Good evening to all Sri Vijayapuram peoples. We have taken some 30 minutes, we have disturbed you and traffic also. However, this program, Cochin Shipyard Limited is conducting 3 months program as directed by Government of India. As a program of this Central Vigilance Commission, we are conducting Vigilance Awareness Program from 24th to 4th November. This is the program conducting awareness to the public as well as all working people, how the prevent the corruptions and vigilant in all respects. As this program, we have conducted various programs. As a kick-off program of the Vigilance Awareness Week, we have done the floss mob. This is the function. We'll start. We will conduct various activities related to the vigilance. We will be vigilant, and not only a single person, everyone has to vigil on all activities. Everyone to cooperate on the vigilance, be aware and give the nation corruption free. We are vigilant in all activities. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
DGM Cochin Shipyard Limited. We are Cochin Shipyard Limited working in Marine Dockyard. We are a repair unit. We are repairing all Andaman administrative repair vessels under. As the vigilance program, we have started the vigilance awareness program as a 3 months program, started from 18th August to 17th November. This program is conducting various activities conducting. Along with this, 24th August to October to 7th November, we are celebrating that vigilance awareness week. As a vigilance awareness kick-off program, as 24th, we are marked a program as a flash mob. This flash mob is will be in the public place. We want awareness to be created in the public, how to the vigilance is to be preventive. It's not eradicate. We have to prevent. How to prevent means people has to know how to not avoid, how to create that awareness between the people without corruption or anything to do the work or do the work. For that purpose only done that work at public places. We will conduct as vigilance awareness with various programs. The people also know that what is the vigilance, how that will work in that other places. That the purpose only where the program is conducted.